Maglakad ka papunta doon sa kotse. So, oy! Doon sa kotse. Lakad ka. Dali. Doon na, doon na. Doon na papunta. Uy! Punta lang sa kotse. Dali na. O, sige, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Go to the kotse. Yeah. Asan yung kotse mo? Yeah. Can you see your car? Nasaan? Oh, covered by snow na. Oh, wait. Where? Nasaan? Where? Where's your car? Covered by snow. Go. See, you cannot see it now. Where is it? Where's your car? Where's your car? Where's your car? Oh, okay. Clean it up. Whoa.
Can I clean it with the
Sure. Okay. Yeah, go get the... One moment. I'm going to open the car. One moment. Get the broom. Okay, go get it. No, naroon doon sa may side. Nasa side. Here. Not there. In here. Sa side.
Yeah?
Yeah. Sige, open it. Sige, open. Sige, open mo. Sige. Can you see it? Okay, sige, maglinis ka. Use the broom. Yung broom, hindi yan. Yung broom. Yung kabila. Yung the other side. Yan. Yan. Sige, yan. Sige, yan. Ganyan. Galing ah. Sige, maglinis ka. Very nice. Oh, tingin dito. Here.